As we are Noakhilla, so let's learn Noakhali to English. Agjar mon balo nei.
Today I'm not feeling well.
Amne bala asinni.
Are you fine?
Amne baat khaisinni.
Did you take rice?
Amne kim bibahito.
Are you married?
Amne hola mai asini.
Do you have any children?
Amne poribar ar ke ase?
How many family members do you have in your family?
Okay. Amne konai thaken?
Where do you live?
Na abba ki ere?
What's your father's job?
Amne shushur abba ki ere?
What's your father-in-law's job?
Amne hondi ki ere?
What's your brother-in-law's job?
Okay. Amne shali ki ere?
What's your sister-in-law?
Ai haste ande muanne re.
I'll give you 5 taka.
আর বাবা আরে 20 টাকা দিছিল।
My father gave me 20 taka.
নোয়াখালী অনেক সুন্দর ভাষা।
Noakhali's language is very beautiful.
নোয়াখালী আইলে
If you come to Noakhali,
আর মনটাও জুড়াই যায়, ভরে যায়।
I feel happy.
তো নোয়াখালী ভাষা শিখতে থাকুন
Learn Noakhali language.
and feel the difference.
Thank you very much.